Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Here we have a Breville 920XL. This unit was having problems with its pressure, so we replaced both the pump and the solenoid valve. The customer said it was fluctuating between about a 3 and a 6, so I'm going to run a shot. Pay attention to the pressure bar so you can see that it's getting sufficient pressure consistently. There's pre-infusion and she shoots up to about an 8. And as you can see, nice steady good stream. Pressure dies down towards the end. And about a 30-second shot. And then we have it. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this every day. Thank you.